Hey, pool lovers, summer is here, the heat is real. And let's be honest, we all want a cool place to chill. Today, I'm comparing 5 top above-ground pools that might just turn your backyard into a mini resort. Funsicle Oasis's Intex Ultra XTR Best Way, Power Steel, Aquarian DIY Steel-Frame, Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe. Which one's easier to set up? Which is the most durable? And which one gives you the best bang for your buck? Let's dive in. Funsicle Oasis, budget-friendly backyard fun. If you want a quick, affordable setup and you're not aiming for Olympic-level laps, Funsicle Oasis is your pool. It takes just about 30 minutes to set up, doesn't require tools, and holds up great for casual family use. But keep in mind, the pump isn't the strongest, and it's not meant to survive harsh winters. Pros: super quick setup. Cons: basic filtration, not suitable for winter use. Intex Ultra XTR, the heavyweight champion. This is where we get serious. The Intex Ultra XTR is for big families, backyard parties, and people who want a near-permanent feel without digging a hole. The sand filter system is a big plus. Less maintenance, better clarity. Once it's up, though, don't expect to move it around easily. Pros: high capacity, strong frame, low maintenance filter. Cons: takes up space and effort to install. Best Way Power Steel, the value king. If you're asking, can I get a quality pool without spending a fortune? The answer is Best Way Power Steel. It offers multiple shapes and sizes, the setup is a breeze, and the build quality holds up surprisingly well. Just be cautious with the cartridge filter models. They may require more frequent cleaning. Pros: great price to performance. Shape variety. Cons: cartridge filters need frequent attention. Aquarian DIY Steel-Frame, built to last. Now, if you're thinking long-term, Aquarian DIY is the one. This pool is built like a tank, with galvanized steel walls and a liner that can handle years of use. It's perfect if you want a semi-permanent solution that stays up all year. Just be ready to spend a few hours setting it up, and remember, it doesn't always include accessories like pumps or ladders. Pros: extremely durable, winter ready. Cons: longer setup, accessories may cost extra. Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe, the backyard resort experience. If you want to bring the luxury of a hotel pool to your backyard, this is it. The deluxe version of Intex Ultra XTR comes with everything: sand filter, ladder, cover, ground mat. It's a full package. You'll get crystal clear water with less effort, and the build quality is top tier. It's not cheap, but the value? Impressive. Pros: all-in-one, setup, sand filter, premium design. Cons: needs flat ground, heavy box, setup takes time. So, what's the verdict? On a budget and want fast fun? Funsicle Oasis. Want space, strength, and low maintenance? Intex Ultra XTR. Best value and versatility. Best Way Power Steel. Long-term durability and all-weather build. Aquarian DIY. Looking for the full premium backyard experience. Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe. Let me know in the comments which one you'd go for. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more summer gear reviews, and until next time, stay cool out there.